In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe checkout with Google Pay and Apple Pay in Jotform. To get started, open your Jotform form builder for the form where you want to collect payments. This is where you'll set everything up, and it only takes a few moments once you know where the tools are. If your form is already created, simply open it in the builder view so you can make edits. If you're still customizing the form, that's fine too. You can add the payment option at any point during the setup process. Once you're inside the builder, go to the left toolbar and look for the payment elements. From there, add the Stripe checkout payment element to your form. This is the payment field that connects your form to Stripe and lets you offer a smoother checkout experience for your users. After you place it on the form, Jotform will prompt you to connect your Stripe account so the payment element can work properly. Next, log into Stripe to integrate your account. When the connection window appears, enter your Stripe login details and complete the authorization process. This links your Jotform form to your Stripe account so payments can be processed securely. Make sure you're signing in to the correct Stripe account, especially if you manage more than one. Once the connection is complete, you'll return to Jotform and be able to continue configuring the payment settings. After that, open the Stripe settings inside Jotform and enable Google Pay and Apple Pay. These wallet options can make checkout faster and more convenient, especially for mobile users or anyone who already has a payment method saved on their device. Turning them on gives your respondents more flexibility at checkout and can help reduce friction during the payment process. When everything looks good, publish your form. Publishing makes your updated payment form live, so people can start using it. Before sharing it widely, it's a good idea to preview the form and confirm that the Stripe checkout element appears correctly and that the available payment options are showing as expected. Keep in mind that Google Pay and Apple Pay availability can depend on the user's device, browser, and region, so they may only appear when supported. And that's it. You've successfully added Stripe checkout to your Jotform form and enabled Google Pay and Apple Pay for a faster, more user-friendly payment experience.